In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero, how to set up and adjust payroll settings, 5 minutes. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Open the Xero login page, enter your email and password, and click Login. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard, which is your hub for everything. From the dashboard, head to Payroll. You can do this by selecting Payroll and then Payroll Settings. If you prefer, you can also click your company name in the top corner, choose Settings, and then select Payroll Settings. Both paths take you to the same place. Inside Payroll Settings, begin on the Organization tab. Take a moment to review your organization details to make sure everything is accurate. Things like the registered name and address are used on pay slips and reports. Next, set your wages payable account. This is the liability account Xero uses when you post a pay run, so it should point to the correct current liability in your chart of accounts. Then choose your expense account for wages. This is where your payroll costs will be recorded, typically a wages or salaries expense account. If you track costs by departments or locations, add payroll tracking so that earnings can be allocated to the right tracking categories for clearer reporting. While you're here, review your payment slips options and upload a company logo so your pay slips look professional and clear for employees. Move on to pay frequencies. Click Add Pay Frequency to define how often employees are paid, such as weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and set the first period and payment day. Keeping this consistent helps keep your payroll calendar clean and avoids date overlaps. Next, go to Pay Items. This is where you define the types of payments you make to employees, like ordinary earnings, overtime, allowances, deductions, reimbursements, and leave earnings. If something you need isn't listed, add a new pay item and make sure it's categorized correctly so it posts to the right accounts and applies the correct tax rules. Head to superannuation to review or add super funds and contribution types. Ensure the rates align with your local requirements so contributions calculate correctly in each pay run. Finally, check the Holidays tab to confirm public holidays and calendars relevant to your team. This helps Xero calculate leave accruals and entitlements accurately. That's it. You can now practice and explore the payroll settings to get comfortable. With these foundations in place, your pay runs, reports, and pay slips will align with your accounts and your business needs.